Alright, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are a Dalish elf, okay? I was cruising through Pinterest and I saw this lovely drawing illustration by Dahlia Art. I will link all the information regarding the artist down below in the description box. I loved it, so I decided I was just gonna recreate my own for a Halloween look, you know? She's cute. She's not tribal. I ain't doing no cultural appropriation, okay? So really hope you guys like this video. If you like what you see, please be sure to continue watching and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and let's get started. Hello everybody! How are we doing today? Alright, so to prime my lids, I'm going to be taking my Makeup Revolution Concealer, the Fine Full Coverage Concealer in the shade C12. We are going with a olivey green look, you know? This is going to be somewhat similar to, what's it called? The olive and gold prom look that I did. It's going to be similar, but not identical, you know what I mean? So to start off, I'm going to be taking my e.l.f. eye crease brush, and I'm going to be using only the Morphe 35M Boss Mood palette. I'm going to start off going into the shade Express Yourself, okay? We're going to build it up on the brush and then just stamp it right above the crease. I'm going to take this dense fluffy brush from my Amazon brush set, and I'm going to go into the next shade over that is called Stroke of Luck. And we're going to use that to diffuse the edges of Express Yourself. Next, I'm going to take my Morphe M321 brush, and I'm going to go into the shade on the other side of Express Yourself, which is called Nude Tude. And I'm just going to use that to deepen my crease. Next, I'm going to go into the next shade beside that, which is called Green with Envy. And that's just going to be used to deepen the crease just a tad bit more. And just to make sure that everything is seamless, I'm going to be taking my Morphe M330 brush, not adding any product. And then to cut my crease, I'm taking my C12.5 concealer and my eyeliner brush. Just going to, should be enough. Taking my Morphe M222 brush, I'm going back into Green with Envy, and I'm just going to diffuse the edges, making sure that it is seamless and blended. I'm going to take this flat shader brush from my Amazon brush set. I'm going to dampen it. And I am going to go into the shade Stand Out and apply that on the middle of my lid. Then I'm going to take my Morphe M124 brush, also dampening it. And I'm going to go into the shade, Bold Moves. And that's going to be the color on the inner part of my cut crease. Alright, so both eyes are done. I just created a small line on my lids with my BH Cosmetics liquid liner, and then I smoked it out using my Maybelline New York Eye Studio Gel eyeliner in the shade Black is Black. Now we're going to jump into the base, and for that I'm going to be taking my usual foundation, my favorite, my NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation in the shade Iguaku Dark 3. I need to clean my hand because I have shadow all over it and I don't want that to. And to blend it out, I'm going to be taking my Real Techniques Body Sponge. And then for concealer, I'm going to be taking my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Amande. Next, I'm going to take my Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. I like to use this to, I don't know, kind of like moisten the face a bit more. And it also makes my face blend. It makes blending way more easier. It makes everything so seamless, and it makes everything last longer too. To set my face, I'm taking my Real Techniques Miracle Complexion Sponge, and I'm just going to go into my Laura Mercier concoction.
Power off.
Just going to dab off the excess. And punch it under the eye and everywhere else I highlighted. So basically, I'm just gonna do my entire foundation routine, my base routine. Next, I'm going to contour using my Fenty Beauty Magic Sticks in the shade Espresso and this buffing brush from my Amazon brush set. I'm just going to swipe the brush onto the contour stick just to get some product on it, and I am going to, as you can see, we are sculpted, okay? She is set, she has baked. Now it's time to take her out of the oven or whatever, okay? Bet. I'm gonna take, what is this? It's my Ray by BH Cosmetics number 4 brush, and I'm going to use that to sweep away the powder under my eyes. The excess powder under my eyes. And for that, I'm going to be taking my Sephora Micro Smooth Powder in the shade Deep 60. I'm just going to lightly tap my brush and use that to sweep away the excess powder under my eye. Right, so next, we're going to finish up the eye. And for that, I am going to be taking, what is it? I'm going to be lining my waterline with my Sephora retractable eyeliner in the shade Matte Black. So I'm going to take this small detailer brush from my Amazon brush set. I'm going to go back into the Morphe 35M Boss Mood palette, going into the shade Green with Envy. And I'm going to use that to smoke out the outer corner. I'm dragging it about 2/3 of the eye in. Okay, next I'm going to take my Morphe M149 brush, going into the shade Nude Tude. And I'm just going to run that under. Basically doing the same as I was on my actual lid, on my lower lash line. And then lastly, for my eyes, I'm going to be taking my Morphe M431 brush, and I'm going to go into the shade Express Yourself, and that's going to be the last color under my eyes. For blush, I'm going to be going into my Black Radiance Baked Blush in the shade Toasted Almond, and I'm applying that with my It's My Ray by BH Cosmetics number 2 brush. Next, for highlighter, right? I'm trying to figure out what I'm gonna do. Okay, I'm gonna go into the shade Fine Line from the ColourPop Innuendo palette. It's like the coppery kind of color. Coppery. Actually, I'm gonna dabble in between Fine Line and Losing Sleep. That's a lot on the brush burn. For my inner corner highlight, I'm going to be taking my It's My Ray by BH Cosmetics number 7 brush, and I'm going to go back into the Morphe 35M Boss Mood palette. I'm going to go into the shade Light of the Party. And now that my inner corner highlight is applied, I'm going to be taking my BH Cosmetics liquid liner, and I'm just going to create like the cat eye effect, the little digit in the in the inner corner of my eye. Next, I'm going to fill in the not the entirety of my lips, but like the outer part, but not the lined part, you know what I mean? I'm gonna be taking my NYX Lip Lingerie in the shade Beauty Mark. And then lastly, for the center of my lips, I'm gonna be taking my another NYX Lip Lingerie in the shade Corset. So to start off, I'm gonna be taking my NYX White Liquid Liner, and I'm gonna be creating like, kind of like a mask effect, but made out of vines surrounding my eyes, drawing vines down the bridge of my nose, my lips, onto my chin, and a little bit on the neck, okay? Cool, let's do it. Back in a new wig because I felt like this fit it better, you know? She's cuter, more glam to go with the look. So yeah, I like this wig better. So this is the final look. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please just like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time, okay? Bye-bye.